Science is the reason our world keeps moving forward.
It turns imagination into reality and questions into discoveries. Every sound we hear, every screen we touch, and every signal traveling through the air is powered by scientific understanding.
Inside the human body, tiny systems work together with perfect balance.
Our heart never forgets to beat, our lungs never stop breathing, and our brain controls it all with incredible precision. Nature itself is a science laboratory.
Reminding us how vast the universe truly is.
Science is not about memorizing answers. It is about asking better questions. Every invention, every breakthrough, starts with curiosity. The future depends on science. From clean energy to space travel, from medicine to artificial intelligence, science shapes what comes next. So stay curious.
Keep learning.
Because understanding science means understanding the world, and your place in it. Science also teaches us how to think.
It trains the mind to observe, analyze, and understand reality.
Every experiment begins with a simple idea. Every discovery starts with curiosity. Mistakes are not failures. They are steps toward learning something new. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, everything follows rules that science helps us uncover. These rules allow us to predict, to create, and to innovate.
Science improves human life.
It helps doctors save lives, engineers build safer worlds, and explorers reach beyond limits once thought impossible. In a world full of information, science gives us clarity. It separates facts from myths and truth from assumptions. The more we understand science, the better decisions we can make, for ourselves, for society, and for the future of our planet. Science is not just a subject. It is a way of thinking.